Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did this project today, and then I'm helping somebody with the Christmas tree on a stand, and I told him to use indexing dowels because he's going to glue 3 MDF pieces together. Well, I glued 4 together today, and I use indexing dowels, and there's no way to do this without dowels, especially on something of this shape. And you see I use weights to hold down and when I'm gluing it, and then I got one that I couldn't just, so I use a little clamp. If you use clamps or weights, you're gonna slide. The glue is gonna slide. So what you need to do is take your shape, and it was like this triangle or this rect pineapple, and draw the size of your dowel, and mine was 0.14. I've got my ratio locked, and you would want to test that on a scrap piece of MDF to make sure it's tight. You want it tight. You need at least 3 of them. 2 of them would work, but I'm going to show you why I use 3. My indexing, my nudge factor set on 3, so I'm going to nudge that up. I'm going to control D and I'm going to nudge it down, kind of to the bottom. Then I'm going to take 1 more, control D, and I'm just going to over here somewhere. The reason for that is that you make sure you glue it the right side to the right side. On particular, and I don't have a picture of it, but I've got a hanger that I built in the back of the pineapple, so it's going to stay flush with the wall. And then you just take and control G to group it together, and let's just do this and control D to make a duplicate. This way, all your indexing dowels are on the same exact spot, and it's going to help you glue it together. And like I said, do a test cut, and let's just say I was going to put these pineapple at the top of my laser. And matter of fact, the way I did it, I used a piece of 24 by 24 piece of MDF, and I'm going to rotate this one 90 degrees so you can get all 4 of them on one sheet. And then I would just bring in some indexing dowels, set them at 24, and you can look right there and go 24, dead on. Take another indexing dowel. We need to set my ruler to the right position. I've just started using this Corel. And matter of fact, I set my page for somebody else's page. My laser is 40 by 28. So you'd want to reset this at 24 and reset this one at 24. I've got to set my rulers again. I just started using this new laptop. So then you just need to make sure everything fits inside of your lines. So let's just do this. That one's already in. We're going to set our nudge factor a little lower, let's say 1/2 inch, and nudge these guys down and over a little bit just to make sure they fit inside your piece of wood. And then when you cut them out, just glue them together. I glued this pretty heavily, and you can see my indexing dowels, and there's the size of dowel I used. And you want them a little bit long, and then you can cut them off and sand them. But that way, you can wipe all the excess glue off before it dries. I'm actually going to sandblast this, the black off, and then sand the rest of it and paint it. And my daughter-in-law is going to give it as a gift, and she's going to hand paint it. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.